3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 28 has begun. Red Alliance side, a cube and a cone both placed onto the high row on the Blue Alliance side, one on the high, one on the low, and one in the middle. Blue Alliance side, Nikolai Fear has themselves docked and engaged onto the charging station. Unfortunately, on the Red Alliance, McGonagall Bears did try to get themselves up there. Unfortunately, it did not make it up there, and they were not engaged. Teleop has begun. Drivers are now in control of their robots, racing around the field to try and score what they can with the 2 minutes they are given. Nikolai Fear on the Blue Alliance lining up and placing a cone onto the high row. Red Alliance side adding a cube to the high row for the Red Alliance is the Bombatrons. McGonagall Bears adding a cone to the high row for the Red Alliance as well. Blue Alliance side, Fondy Fire lining up with a cone for the mid row, and they do get it. Their teammate Milwaukee United has a cube in hand, going to try and decide what to do with it. They're still unsure, it seems. Grand Force placing a cube onto the low row as well. Bombatron's cone in hand, heading over to a mid-row post, and they do attempt to place that, and they make that. Blue Alliance side continuing to try and get more pieces onto their scoring as they can. Very close according to the temporary score. Red Alliance 2 links, Blue Alliance just completing 1. Those links make a difference in the amount of ranking points the team receives at the end of the match. Nikolai Fear, Blue Alliance lining up with a high row cone, and they successfully do it. Grand Force heading over to their side, their community to score. Cone in, or cube in hand, almost getting stuck on the charging station. They make it through though. Bombatron's cube in hand as well, heading across the field, debating where to put that one. Go for a mid-row, going to place it on there. Their teammates McGonagall Bears just placing a cube onto the high row. They now have completed the high row. Just under 30 seconds remaining. Red Alliance has completed their part of the cooperation bonus, which means, and since the Blue Alliance has 2, which means they only need 4 links in order to get to the sustainability bonus, and it looks like they both do. Red Alliance lining up to get themselves onto the charging station. McGonagall trying to be the last one on there, completing that as time runs out. $124 to $119, 5-point difference. That does not mean though that the Blue Alliance is walking away empty-handed. They are walking away with 2 ranking points. One from the charge station, the other from the links that they completed. The Red Alliance